going to describe a person who learns something without a teacher. So I have this friend. He's very into video games and movies in general, especially video games. And he always wanted a good PC, a good personal computer, a good desktop that he could play video games on. And he basically learned how to assemble a computer by himself. So he told me that he would watch PC building guides on YouTube, and there was this channel called Finest Tech Tips where they explain how each component of a computer worked, and where you could buy one and how to assemble them, because the computer assembly process, when you actually buy individual parts for a computer and actually assemble them at home, there are a few things that you have to look out for. For example, you have to assure that the right CPU goes with the right motherboard. A motherboard is basically a spine that connects every other part to the CPU, and the CPU is like the brain of the computer. So a brain that uses a spine to connect with other parts of the computer, like the graphics card, or also called the GPU. He basically explained this to me, and I actually helped him source some of his computer parts. And 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 what happened was that he actually got a computer that was very much to his liking, even though he had to upgrade a few times. Um, but still, I find it very impressive that he learned all about this all on his own. And he was also very good at English as well, and all of the videos that he watched were in English. And we watched them together, and he's very nerdy about it. He would explain it a lot to me, and it was a very good experience that I get to learn a bit from him, and also experience something quite genuinely joyful as well. That he learned something by himself, and he actually something came out of it. He managed to assemble his own PC, which is quite impressive considering that we were I think we were 16, 17 at that time, which was again very impressive.